In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from one Binance account to another Binance account. By following these steps, you will be able to execute a secure internal transfer quickly. Begin by navigating to Binance and signing into your account. You can do this through either the mobile app or the website. Once you are logged in, locate the wallet section, which is typically found in the main menu. After accessing your wallets, look for the transfer option and select it to proceed with the transfer process. When prompted, choose the option for an internal transfer, often labeled as Binance to Binance. This method allows you to transfer funds without using blockchain networks, making it faster and free of fees. Before proceeding, ensure you have a sufficient balance of USDT in your account, as this is crucial for completing the transfer. Next, select USDT as the asset you wish to transfer. You will need to enter the recipient's details, which can be done using their Binance email, phone number, or Binance ID. After entering this information, specify the amount of USDT you want to send. It is important to double check the recipient's details for accuracy, as internal transfers are. Take a moment to review the transfer summary displayed on the screen before confirming your action. After reviewing, confirm the transfer by completing any necessary security verification steps. This may include entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once confirmed, you can check your transfer history to verify that the transaction has been processed. The recipient should receive the USDT almost instantly, but it is wise to save the transaction details for your records in case any issues arise. If you encounter any problems during the transfer, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. It is crucial to avoid sending funds to incorrect accounts, as this can lead to permanent loss of your assets. Following these steps ensures a successful and secure transfer of USDT between Binance accounts. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.